And this is the diecast model of Yamaha brand, and this is made by Maestro, and the scale model is 1/12. And here mentioned Yamaha licensed product. Yamaha is a registered trademark and is used with the permission of Yamaha Motor Co Limited. Actually, this design is made by Maestro with the permission of Yamaha. So only they mention this is Yamaha licensed products. And here we are going to unbox this and see the detail all the things.